In this tutorial, we will first create a bottom navigation bar using Jetpack Compose default icons, then replace them with custom icons designed in Canva. Create bottom navigation with icons default. Add a box with bottom center alignment. Inside the box, add a row and distribute the navigation items evenly. Inside the row, add fun bottom navigation icons. Replace all icon parameters with the default icon. Add a box as the container. Output of bottom navigation with default icons. Open Canva and design custom navigation icons. Create the icon design in Canva with a size of 512 by 512 pixels. Search Home in Elements. Select any one picture. Use Position to align the picture and set its placement on the design. Create bottom navigation with custom icons. Create a reusable bottom icon image composable. Add a box as the container. And display the navigation image within the box. Output of bottom navigation with custom icons. Tip: congratulations! You have successfully created a Jetpack Compose bottom navigation bar and customized it with Canva designed icons.